Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for March 13th through the 19th in my classic catch-all happy planner. I'm going to be using a PlannerSisterSticker kit, no surprise here, and this one is kind of like a greenery, kind of botanical kind of kit. When I saw this kit, I was thinking Mardi Gras colors, but as you guys know, if you saw my Mardi Gras plan with me, I already did one using the Coffee Planner Mom kit. So this week we're going to be using this one because I feel like this is good for St. Patrick's Day colors without being too St. Patrick's Day overwhelmed. We're going to use some coordinating washi, this grid purple washi, and then these two plain colors. I feel like they go really, really well with the kit. So that's what we're going to start with. I don't know if I shared a catch-all on my last week's spread. This is what it ended up turning out to look like. I shared a plan with me on my Instagram for this kit, so if you guys are interested in seeing how this kit came together, check out my Instagram. I just, unfortunately, like my social media planner last week, I just didn't have the time to film a plan with me. Work got super, super overwhelming, so that's what we're working with here. And honestly, this week is going to be pretty overwhelming as well, but we'll talk about that in a second. Alrighty, so I think what I'm going to do first is lay down some washi across the spine, since you guys know that that is kind of my signature thing. That's what I like to do on my spreads, and there's no hesitation. We're going to go ahead and just go right into it. I did kind of pre-prep the spread, and apparently I did not pre-prep it well enough because some of these lines like to come through in the washi that I use. So I like to kind of white out the washi or the colors, but apparently some of them like to show through. So that's unfortunate. So yeah, as I mentioned, this week is going to be super, super crazy. Usually my off days lie on Thursdays and Fridays, but unfortunately this week I was scheduled 6 days of work. Oopsie, I done messed that up. Anyway, I was scheduled 6 days of work, so I only have 1 day off, but I'm on vacation starting Monday. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just... I'm just gonna be laying around and doing nothing. It's basically just a relaxation kind of vacation, I guess you could call it. So, oh, that just messed up completely. So we're gonna redo this. But basically, I'm not too upset about it, but at the same time, it's nice to know that I'll have a vacation coming soon. So it's not gonna be too bad. But yeah, so that's why it's going to be pretty hectic. I am going to be very, very tired. It has been just constantly busy at work. It's not really had a day where I've gone, there's not that many people here. But that's okay. It's, you know, it's a vacation destination, so of course it's going to be full of people all the time. But sometimes you just kind of want a relaxing day, and I have not had one in a very long time, so I'm looking forward to my vacation. Alright, now we're going to start with the date covers. Oh, maybe the washi after that, but we are going to do the date covers first. I actually don't even know if I want to use this washi. We're going to do the date covers, and then we will figure out what we're going to do with the washi, because I do really like these date covers and I think that they are super sparkly and pretty. So we're going to do these first. Yeah, I'm thinking we might not use the washi this week, but we are going to lay down the sidebar next. And I think going to combine some of these colors. So we're going to add some purple here. And that is extremely crooked. So we're going to do that one more time and not let it be crooked. It's better. Alrighty, so let's do the Monday through Sunday box at the top. Leave a little space for the work. Actually, we can probably go ahead and add that on here. So I can't remember if there was a work, but we are going to use next week. All right. And then let's do goals for the week. And I really want to do this one. So we're going to lay down this and just put that here. We are going to cover it up with some washi tape, but and then we're going to put the Monday through Sunday habit trackers down as well, because those are for my routines. We've got AM and PM routine. And we're going to use the label that says this week. All right. And then we're going to use these AM and PM routine stickers from Planner Kate. Put those down right here. All right, guys, the spread is now starting to come together, and I am very excited about it. So let's add some deco now, because we are not going to use the washi, like I said. So we have this one, and then we also have, that's deco. Here we go. These are the full boxes. And I'm thinking, because they are the same, I mean, they're kind of the same. I'm thinking I'm going to use this girl here for one of them and then save the rest of these girls. And I'm thinking we might layer it. I really like the idea of layering it with this piece. I really like that. That's cute. A little different than what I do too. So we are just going to throw all of these deco boxes down. We are going to put this one on Thursday. Actually, we're going to put it on Wednesday because that is our relaxation. Well, Thursday is, but Wednesday is our Friday. So I like, we do need a regular box here though, and I'm thinking we could do probably this one on this corner right here. Like I said, we don't really have too much going on this side of the week. We do have to leave Thursday empty if we can, because Thursday is going to be pretty hectic as far as needing to get things done. So let's see. Okay. And maybe one here. That's perfect. Then we've got a space for one. We will put one down on Thursday just because we've got the space for it. Let's put it. Well, I don't want to put it directly on a box. So we are going to move this to Thursday. And then we're going to move, because I really want this one here. So we're just going to move this box up one. Just like this. Cool. And then we'll fix that little mess up. All right, this is turning out a lot faster than I thought it would. We have completely finished one sheet, which is nice. Well, not completely. We've still got a few boxes left. So I'm thinking we should probably add some sort of list and things because that's important to add to your spread. So I'm going to grab, I don't want that one anymore. This is what I need. Our checklist boxes. And I'm thinking because there's not a lot of green, we're going to use one of those. And I really want to put it right here. We're going to put it on Thursday on this side of the spread. And then my labels. We have a, ooh, actually we're going to use today instead. And then we're going to come over here and use this to-do list, checklist. And I really want to use a green or purple, but I think we're going to go with gray. Only since there's not that much. Well, there is quite a lot on this side. We'll put gray over here, since we have a lot going on this side. And then the checklist right here. And we will add a green checklist on this side as well. We're going to put it right here. Actually, we're going to set it down here so it's not right across from the other green checklist. And we're going to do the mini things title, because I don't quite know what this checklist will be for, other than the fact that it is for things to get done when I have spare time during the week. All right, now I'm going to grab this box here. And we're going to put it right there for payday. And honestly, I think we're just going to add some deco around the spread, because I'm thinking we're almost done with this, because like I said, it's pretty much just going to be deco, because I'm not going to have a lot of time to write things down. So that's, I think, what we're going to do. We're going to just go ahead and finish up by adding some extra boxes and some deco. Alright everyone, so that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my catch-all spread for the week. I really love how this turned out. I feel like I say that every single time, but I really do genuinely love how this turned out, and I love the pops of St. Patrick's Day that I added. Those items are from Redhead Stickers, and I am still on a PR for Redhead Stickers, so if you use my code Megan15, you'll save 15% off and get my super adorable Redhead Stickers freebie. And this is what it looks like. It is super cute. We've got some allergies on here just in case you guys need it for allergy season, unfortunately. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with art prompt journal books, polymer clay, and mainly planners. I have a different playlist related to those categories and more linked in the description box, so check them out if you're interested, if you want to just see what I plan and craft with. I also have links to all of the PRs and affiliates that I'm on in the description box and my link tree, so if you guys are interested in checking out all of the other shops that I PR for and all of the other companies that I'm an affiliate for. Currently, it is Paper House Productions, Scrapbook.com, A Cherry on Top Crafts, and Day Designer. So if you guys are interested in checking those out and saving yourself some money, don't forget to use my affiliate link. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration and you thought this was a fun plan with me. And until next time, craft on.